Welcome to day 7. So officially 1 week into this challenge, I'm going to give you your day 7 flexible mind challenge of the day, themed around the word believe. So really believing. What I want you to do today is to create a vision board, and this does not need to be complicated. Some of you, maybe you have a bunch of magazine clippings, you have time, you love creating vision boards. You can totally start cutting and pasting images and really filling out some kind of paper or cardboard or a bristle board. That's awesome. Another great alternative for vision boards is to just use Pinterest. It's free, it's easy, you can find anything online. I've used this tool for years to create my own vision boards. I have a ton of Pinterest boards that focus on lifestyle dreams, relationships, creativity, travel, whatever it may be, right? So you can do this on Pinterest and just pin a couple things that tap into believing in yourself and that really capture what it is that you're going for at this time in your life. It doesn't need to be super complicated, and you don't need to have a ton of stuff on that vision board. I would say try to find a minimum of 5 things, whether that's 5 physical images that you're cutting and pasting and putting on a board and, maybe hanging it somewhere in your office or in your home, somewhere where you'll be able to see this daily and be reminded of your priorities and what's important to you at this time in your life. Or it could just be, again, your Pinterest board. Often what I like to do with Pinterest boards, I'll also make it a phone background so that I see it very often if I'm working with specific images at that time, or desktop backgrounds as well. So get creative, find at least 5 things that really tap into that sense of belief. What do you want? What do you need? What are you calling into your life at this time? And if you'd like, please, of course, share it with us. I would love to see your vision boards. Of course, you don't have to. I know sometimes a lot of it is private. No pressure. It's not part of the challenge. You don't have to share it. But if you do want to, that'd be great as well. So you can do that over in our Facebook group, and let me know how this goes by leaving me a comment below. Try to get this done today. Again, if you do it the Pinterest route, it doesn't need to take too long. I don't want these daily challenges to be too cumbersome and too tiring either. So it should make you feel motivated and excited and light all around. Okay, enjoy, and we'll connect again tomorrow for day 8.